So Nicholas Pegues reporting, happy Saturday, Facebook friends and supporters from around the world, including the global elite who is supporting President Nelson Mandela World News Network, established here in Memphis, Tennessee. I've taken upon, the extraordinary privilege to find my own news blog or corporation here in Memphis, Tennessee, and name it in honor of former President Nelson Mandela, the President of South Africa, to show that the American spirit is still alive, to show that capitalism still works, and to prove to the international community that we are one global family. Nicholas Pegues reporting. President Nelson Mandela World News Network launched here in Memphis, Tennessee. This is global elite and fans supporting Memphis News founder Nicholas Pegues, naming his news network in honor of President Nelson Mandela on December 14th, 2013. Nicholas Pegues reporting. Members of the Catholic elite have already joined. A corporate thanks.